everyone.
Hi,
We're back.
here we are.
I'm Cecily.
I'm Paula.
I love a good white shirt.
I love a good white shirt too. You stole mine.
Yep.
Welcome to This Made Up Life.
What are we doing today?
Well, Cecily, you got this new dress. It's really cute. It's a great dress from Target. And I do love it, but why aren't you wearing it?
It is an awkward length for me. It's just short enough that I don't know. There's not enough of my ankle showing, or it needs to go down to the floor. That's just how it goes for me.
So it's you either, since we can't lengthen it without doing some dramatic sewing here, we want to show you how to shorten a dress.
Yeah.
A lot of us have maybe maxis in our wardrobe. We want to change them up a little bit. I think we're doing a lot of shortening in videos lately, but
it's hot.
It's summer. It's hot.
My armpits are sweating so bad. That's what I was going to say.
Mine are not.
Okay, good. Anyway, we're shortening this dress.
Okay, we're going to shorten this dress. So she put it on so that we could figure out where she wants it to land. Now, this has got a cute little flare at the bottom. Mm-hmm. Where are you thinking you want to shorten it to?
I think I just want to go maybe mid-calf.
Oh, that'll be nice.
So what is that, like 5? Let's do 5 inches to be safe.
Okay, let's look at So there are a variety of ways that you could do this. You could be looking in the mirror and you could have someone pin it for you so that you can see exactly what you're trying to shorten. Or like Cecily did, she said she wants it mid-calf. So I'm going to head down here with the ruler.
It's weird.
All right, so if you're thinking like right in here-ish, right?
Yep.
Okay, now stand straight.
But what's our trick? Always make it a little bit longer because you can always shorten it.
You can always shorten it. So I'm thinking actually we're gonna take off 8 inches. That gives us, because were you thinking right, or do you want to do 6 to start?
Yeah, let's do 6 to be safe.
Okay, we're gonna start with 6, which actually means we're gonna take 5, because on a dress like this is a woven fabric. We're going to have to do something to finish the end. We're not just going to let this one fray.
Yeah, I know.
She wants a nice clean finish. So we're going to go 5 inches. She's going to take this off and we'll be right back.
2. All right, we're back.
All right, we have this dress. I've turned it inside out and we determined we're going to take off 6 inches. 6 inches, Ribbon Girl.
Name that movie.
Comment
in the
comment below. All right, now we're going to lose the care label here. So if you're,
keep in mind, machine wash cold separately.
One of the things that we wanted to mention is that when you're doing a fix like this with an iron-on hem tape or like the Ultra Bond or Heat and Bond Ultra, you want to make sure that you don't put your clothes in the dryer. In a hot dryer, it will
come apart.
So we're just going to use our ruler. We figured we need 6 inches and we're going to go and mark it all the way around.
How far apart would you go? Maybe 6 inches all the way around?
6 inches, Ribbon Girl. Yeah, because I'll go back through with the ruler and connect. Okay. So okay, so now we've marked. Now we're going to cut. Now, be careful when you're marking with a Sharpie because it's going to bleed through onto your...
So maybe put something underneath it.
All right, so now we're going to cut. Do you feel good about that, or do you want to go a little bit longer?
I feel good.
Okay, cut away. Oh, well, you're almost at the end. That's why I was walking. All right, so now it's cut off. We're going to keep it on the ironing board like this so that we only have one side out. And we're going to use some iron-on Heat and Bond tape. Comes like this on a roll. And it's really easy. One side is, I don't know, how would you explain that? It's a little bit shiny. You can feel
Little
which
rough.
side has
Texture.
the glue on it or the adhesive. Now, because this is kind of a rounded hem, we're going to come through and we're going to clip our tape. So as you can see, about every inch or so, I'm going to make a clip in the tape
Not all the way through.
Whoops, yeah, be careful. Don't go out. I mean, you can, but
It just makes it harder.
yes. And we're going to do it in sections. So we're going to do that much at once.
Great.
Now, when you put the tape on here, now with those cuts you just made, you can make it fan out and go along the circle edge, because the edge itself is not straight. I would highly recommend doing this with a friend, because this is a bonus, having you do that part, and
Yeah.
just don't iron over my fingers.
You're holding? Yeah.
So you want to give it a good press. You can tell when it's holding, because it obviously stays down.
All right.
Okay, we're going to repeat this all the way around. Now, the nice thing about this tape is that when it's on here, it's also going to finish that top edge. We could leave a little bit hanging over and just turn it over but because we've got this tape on there, it's sealing everything, so you don't have to. And
that's a bonus.
I'm all about working smart. The key here is you're going to wash in cold water on a very gentle cycle, or hand wash it.
We can't emphasize that enough.
I'm a big proponent of hand washing stuff like dresses like this, just because anytime that you can avoid distressing your fabric too much, you're gonna end up with your clothes look nicer for much longer. We finished that. Woo! Allow yourself like 10-15 minutes to do this. It's better take a little bit of time and do it right.
Yeah.
So now we're going to go through, we're going to peel these off, and we want to start somewhere where it's already really cool, because if we peel it somewhere where it's still hot, we could peel away the adhesive, and we don't want to do that. So you just kind of start to peel it away. You'll know if it
stuck.
If the adhesive stuck, you'll feel it. It'll be
smooth.
Yeah, really smooth against the fabric.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, now we're just literally going to fold this over at the edge of the tape, and you'll be able to feel kind of where that is as you fold. It'll be easier to fold where that tape is. And the thing I like about this kind of a finish, it gives a really nice clean finish, but also on a dress like this, it's going to give a tiny bit of body to your hem, which will be cute because it'll just show that flare.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Now, as you're getting around these curves, that's why it's helpful to have somebody help hold it, because you're going to have to ease it. Easing means to press the fabric toward so that it takes up less space. So I'm just kind of easing it around. If it was a lot more of a curve, I would go through and clip.
The way we clipped the tape.
The way we clipped the tape, and then it would just, you'd be able to, because like right here, there's a little extra, so we're just going to go like that, and she's going to come in and press it. We could also use pins.
Yeah.
All right, so
that is lickety-splickety.
That was really nice. And as you can see, it's got just a really, really nice clean finish. And
I like that it can stretch a little. That's
still a little bit of
brilliant.
stretch. It's going to give it a little bit of
body.
And I love the way it kind of just holds the hem. I mean, that's going to be cute.
So brilliant. Awesome. Thank you.
So we know you guys can do this.
Try it out.
Try it out.
Tag us. Hashtag I made this up.
If you liked the video, be sure to like it.
Follow us.
And
share
share. Thanks for watching.
Bye. I could have said, yep, thanks for watching.